Are you still slaving away in the kitchen for hours every Sunday, prepping mountains of food that you'll probably get sick of by Wednesday? There's a better way. What if I told you could ditch the complexity, ditch the boredom, and still crush your fitness goals? If you're ready to break your limits and sculpt the physique you've always dreamed of, then Bulk Up Bro is your channel. Alright, let's face it. When it comes to building muscle, nutrition is key. You can hit the gym as hard as you like, but if your diet isn't on point, you're not going to see the results you want. But here's the thing. Eating for muscle gain doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, it can be pretty simple if you take a minimalist approach. The Minimalist Mindset. Now, you might be thinking, what exactly is a minimalist approach to meal prep? Well, it's all about simplifying your nutrition and focusing on the essentials. It's about choosing whole, unprocessed foods that are packed with protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. But it's also about finding ways to save time and make meal prep as easy as possible. Because let's be honest, who wants to spend hours in the kitchen every week? Protein power. When it comes to building muscle, protein is king. It's essential for repairing and rebuilding muscle tissue after your workouts. But here's the question. How much protein do you really need? And what are the best sources? Well, the recommended daily allowance, RDA, for protein is 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight. But if you're active and trying to build muscle, you'll need more than that. Aim for around 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Now, let's talk about protein sources. Chicken, fish, and eggs are all great options. But what about plant-based sources? Tofu, tempeh, and lentils are excellent sources of plant-based protein. And they're also packed with other nutrients that are important for muscle growth and overall health. Quick and easy recipes. Alright, enough talk. Let's get cooking. I'm going to show you 3 incredibly simple, yet effective recipes that you can whip up in no time. These are my go-tos when I'm short on time but still want to hit my macros. Chicken and veggie stir-fry. First up is a classic for a reason. The chicken and veggie stir-fry. I mean, who doesn't love a quick and easy meal that's bursting with flavor and good for you? This one checks all the boxes. Now, why does this work so well for building muscle? Well, think about it. Chicken breast is basically a lean protein powerhouse, and stir-frying is one of the fastest cooking methods out there. Plus, it helps to keep all those amazing nutrients in your veggies. You're getting a complete meal with a perfect balance of protein, carbs, and those all-important healthy fats. And let's talk about the nutritional value here. We're talking lean protein, complex carbs for sustained energy, and a good dose of fiber, especially if you load up on those veggies. Don't forget the vitamins and minerals. This meal is a winner all around. Ready to get cooking? It's super simple. Just dice up some chicken breast, toss it in a pan with your favorite veggies. Personally, I love broccoli, peppers, and onions, and get that stir-fry going. A little soy sauce or your go-to stir-fry sauce, and boom. Serve it over some brown rice or quinoa for a complete meal. Now, here's a pro tip. Want to take this to the next level? Marinate that chicken beforehand. I like a simple mix of soy sauce, ginger, and garlic. And remember, don't overcook those veggies. Nobody likes mushy broccoli, right? Keep them crisp tender for the best flavor and texture. What are your favorite veggies to throw in a stir-fry? Let me know in the comments below. Maybe you have a secret ingredient that takes it to a whole new level? Tofu scramble. Alright, let's shake things up with a plant-based powerhouse, the tofu scramble. This one's a shout out to all my vegan and vegetarian friends. But trust me, even the biggest meat lovers will be surprised by how delicious this is. Why does this work so well for building muscle, you ask? Well, tofu is a complete protein source, which means it has all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. Plus, it's naturally low in calories and fat, which is perfect if you're keeping an eye on your weight. Who said healthy eating had to be boring? And when it comes to nutrition, tofu brings its A game. It's packed with plant-based protein, iron for energy, and even calcium for strong bones. Did I mention it's also low in saturated fat and cholesterol-free? Talk about a win-win. Now, let's get cooking. Crumble up some firm tofu, and here's a little secret, the firmer the better, and sauté it with your favorite veggies. I personally love throwing in some mushrooms, spinach, and tomatoes. But hey, get creative. What are your go-to veggies? Let me know in the comments. And here's the game changer. Season it with turmeric, garlic powder, and a pinch of black salt. That black salt gives it this amazing eggy flavor that will blow your mind. Serve it up with some whole wheat toast or roasted sweet potatoes, and you've got yourself a seriously satisfying meal. Pro tip, press that tofu before you cook it. This gets rid of extra moisture and gives it a much better texture. And don't be afraid to experiment with different spices and seasonings. Maybe a little smoked paprika or some chili flakes. Create your own signature scramble and let those taste buds go wild. Tuna salad. Okay, last but definitely not least, we have a lunchbox legend, the tuna salad. This is a classic for a reason, right? It's easy to make, you can take it anywhere, and it's loaded with protein to keep you going. Perfect for those days when you're rushing out the door. But why is tuna so good for building muscle? Well, first of all, it's an amazing source of lean protein, which we all know is essential for muscle growth and repair. But here's the real kicker. Tuna is packed with omega-3 fatty acids. And those aren't just good for your heart, they're also amazing for brain function. Who wouldn't want a sharper mind while they're crushing their fitness goals? Speaking of nutrition, tuna is a true superstar. It's got protein, those awesome omega-3s, and it's even a good source of selenium, an important mineral that acts as an antioxidant. Plus, it's low in calories and fat, so you can enjoy it guilt-free. Alright, let's make this salad. Grab some canned tuna. I prefer the kind packed in water. And instead of mayo, we're going to mix it with Greek yogurt. This gives it a creamy texture with a boost of protein and less saturated fat. Smart swap, right? Then, throw in some chopped celery, onion, and a squeeze of lemon juice to brighten it up. Serve it on whole wheat bread or crackers, and you've got a power-packed lunch. Now, here's a pro tip to make your tuna salad even better. Add some crunch. Chopped walnuts or almonds are perfect for this. And if you want to get really fancy, try adding some chopped apples or grapes for a touch of sweetness. It's like a party in your mouth. What are your favorite ways to jazz up a tuna salad? Do you have any secret ingredients or unexpected combinations? Share your ideas in the comments. I'd love to hear them. There you have it. 3 simple, delicious, and nutritious recipes that you can easily incorporate into your meal prep routine. Remember, building muscle doesn't have to be about boring, repetitive meals. With a little creativity and these minimalist recipes, you can enjoy delicious food and achieve your fitness goals. So, there you have it. Minimalist meal prep for muscle gain. Remember, it's all about simplifying your nutrition and focusing on the essentials. Choose whole, unprocessed foods, get enough protein, and find ways to save time in the kitchen. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your favorite minimalist meal prep recipes? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fitness tips and workout routines. If you love this video, you'll probably like the next one.